In chapter 8.2, the real brunt of it is distribution, something you already know quite a bit about. But it does lead into factoring, which happens in the next chapter, which you also know a little bit about already, but that's really the emphasis of the chapter 8 entirely. So this gives us a good opportunity to do a visual representation of how multiplication works or how distribution works. We'll do a couple short videos here for this section. So here's a problem, should pop on the screen any second. Imagine a tile floor with tiles x by x in size and dimensions 2x by 5x plus 1. The 1 is simply a 1-foot wooden strip along one side of the floor, or on one end of the floor, you might want to think of it as. So first sketch a diagram of the floor and then find the area in terms of x. You might want to pause and try this on your own. I'm going to do it now though. So 2x by 5x, so let's see, if we have an x by x tile, there's an x by x tile. So if we had 2x, that'd be 2x in this direction. And then 5x, that'd be x, that'd be x, that'd be x. Need another one, that'd be x. So here we have 5x by 2x, and then we'll have a 1 over here. So it's just a 1. So that's a sketch of the floor. This dimension here is 5x plus 1. That's the length of that side. This dimension here is 2x. So it asks us to find the area. Well, each one of these boxes is going to be x squared. Right, there's going to be x squared here, there's x squared here, there's x squared in all of those boxes. So it looks like there are 10 x squareds. And then here, this has a dimension of 1 by x. So this is just a dimension of x. So 10x squared plus 2x is the dimension of the floor, the area of the floor. Now, if you think about it, area is equal to length times width. In this case, our length was 5x plus 1, and our width was 2x, or we could do it the other way around, 2x times 5x plus 1, doesn't matter, and distribute this. Well, when we distribute, of course, we get 2x times 5x, that equals 10x squared, and 2x times 1 equals 2x. And they are the same. So this is a visual representation of distribution, something you've probably seen before. In fact, I've probably shown it to you before. But we're going to use a table that doesn't look a whole lot different from this, or quote unquote the area model, when we go to factor. So I wanted to remind you of this because of what we're going to do when we're factoring.